3548 Northeast 113th Street, Seattle, Washington. Doing a camera inspection from a clean out right outside the front door here. I'm sitting in the city main at 83 feet. Going to zero out our footages here and pull back from this point. See the water going by from the main there. Got a funky little drop down into the main. Coming back through 6-inch diameter concrete. Like that's our transition. 6-inch on that side, 4-inch on that side. I'm gonna go find this spot real quick. Pause the recording. Alright. That's right underneath the deck, so I'm gonna go out a little more here and see if we can catch it where it comes out of the deck. Alright, it's just coming out underneath the deck. I'm gonna go a couple more feet. Here, see if we catch that real quick. Alright, that's located 6 feet deep, just right on the other side of the fence, the gate, or the deck there. I'm going to zero my footage out again. Start coming back. There's our 4x6. So we have 10 feet of 6. Record. I'll pause it real quick and locate this spot. Alright, gonna locate the other side of the turn. Right there, pausing it. Alright, located 3.5 feet deep, right under a small tree. Feet, 51 feet of 4. Coming up out of the clean out now. Alright, there's our access. Going to end the recording there.